Well, hey, so we got this Wyse Zx0, and we're gonna put some RAM and an SSD in it, if it fits. First things first, let's take it apart. A few Phillips screws, little teeny tiny ones. Usually 3 in the back of this unit. There's only 2. So start by taking these extra thingies out. It used to be a machine I used in the garage, so I'm repurposing it. I have a more appropriate laptop out there now. I'm going to replace this 2 GB stick with another 8 GB stick, like I already have in there. And focus. Snap it in. There you have it, beyond the clip not being clipped the whole way. I got later. Yeah, so I don't need these Wi-Fi antennae, bungs, whatever connectors you want to call them. I actually drilled the holes there because the ones I had when I equipped the ThinClient with a wireless card were only long enough to reach there and not to the stock location, which is more towards the top of the unit. I don't have many ZXOs, so I'm going to take out the I think it was a 4 or 16 GB flash device. I don't know if I want to call it an SSD, even though it is a solid state. For some reason it gave me some issues. Been in there a while. Stuck on the sticker. Yeah, it might only have been a 4 GB. Yeah, let's see if we can get this 120 GB in there. Done this successfully before on a D series Wyse, DXOD, one of my favorite models. Yeah, just unscrew, rescrew, put them to the side, maybe use them for something else. Wi-Fi is kind of one of the things I really don't enjoy a lot, but it's necessary for some devices. I would much rather have a hardwire Ethernet cord into a machine. It's a Wyse Zx0. Best part about the ZXOs is they have the USB 3. And they hold 2 full-size desktop sticks of RAM. So, a little clearer picture of the inside, the back, display port, DVI, some USBs. There's the front. There you go, the Kingston 2 GB or 2 8 GB sticks. All right, here we go. Let's get the goodies out of this SSD. So I've been taking stuff apart since I can remember. I want to say it was around 5. The age of 5, that is. Yeah, I just need a little pry tool. I can get the tiny straight screwdriver. Just find an edge and start cranking on it. Highly advised to securely hold the screwdriver and never put force towards yourself. Otherwise, you will end up bad results. I'm close to my finger there. See, I moved. Yeah, that got that side. I can get this corner. There it popped. Go around the other way. You get the other side. Go for the back. It's actually coming apart a lot better than the last one I did. Of course, I might not have had the appropriate tool with me that day. I remember some of the plastic actually breaking. One more little seam to pop. Side was a little more difficult. There we go. Mostly. For another pry here, make sure it's popped. And I just got one corner left. Alright, there we go. And there's the goodness. Now, big problem, size difference. Now, as I said, I've done this successfully. The same SSD from MicroCenter, the old Inland Special 120 gigabyte. Got a few on sale a long time ago. To a different model. But yeah, it don't fit this one. Physically will not go in the spot. Ew. Well, I always have a solution for something. Let's pull out the old MakerX kit, grab the Dremel, well, the rotary tool, excuse me, and give her a whirl. You can only imagine what's going to happen next.